World Bank study on energy prices. The World Bank recently released the October 2022 edition of the Commodity Markets Outlook. What are the key findings of the Commodity Markets Outlook report? The projections of commodity prices are subject to numerous risks. Energy markets are facing significant supply-related distress, due to concerns regarding their availability during the winter season. Higher than expected energy prices could lead to a spike in non-energy commodities prices, especially food. This will prolong the challenges associated with food insecurity and slow down the global economic growth. The falling value of currencies of most developing economies is the major cause of the rising prices of food and energy. Almost 60% of oil importing emerging market and developing economies witnessed a surge in energy inflation between February and end of October this year. High energy prices are causing food inflation, since agricultural production is highly reliant on energy commodities. During the first 3 quarters of 2022, food inflation in South Asia averaged higher than 20%. Except East Asia and the Pacific, other regions witnessed the average of food inflation ranging between 12 and 15%. East Asia and the Pacific saw low food inflation, partly because of stable prices of rice, the region's staple food. Since the Ukrainian war broke out, energy price has remained volatile. However, it is expected to ease. After increasing by 60% in 2022, the energy prices are expected to decline 11% in 2023. However, the energy prices will remain 75% above the average over the last 5 years. Agricultural prices are projected to decrease 5% in 2023. This decline will be ensured by the better-than-projected global supply